This video will explain the basics of the WSYIWYG Editor in Angel. Now, WSYIWYG is an acronym, and it stands for What You See is What You Get. And it is software which is similar to Microsoft Word, the word processing software. You can see that the icons on the toolbar are similar to what you see in Microsoft Word. But the idea that what you see is what you get is what it means is that when you format your text and when you format, say, your document in Microsoft Word, you see the results right away. You see how it will look on your printed document, or you see how it will look on your page. And that's all it means when we talk about WYSIWYG. So let me show you how to format your text using the WYSIWYG editor. Now, first, you would enter your text in this text box. Next, you'd like to format it. So say, I'm not sure if I like the size of this text. So I am going to highlight the text that I would like to change. So I've highlighted all of my text. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu for size, and I'm going to try medium. So I've changed the size to a little bit smaller. Next, if I want to change the formatting of the font of some of the text, I'm going to highlight the text that I want to change. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu next to font, and perhaps I want to change it to Verdana. So you see that right away this text is changed to the font that I chose. Next, if I want to bold any of my text, I can highlight the text and click on the bold icon on the toolbar. And you see it is bolded. Say I want to, for the 3 items that I'm asking the students to include, I want to italicize them. So I highlight the text and I click on the italic, and you can see that it italicizes it. So say I want to italicize the items that I want the students to include. If I click on the icon for italics, it italicizes them. So if I want to underline anything, so say I want to underline the word you. I want it to stand out for the students. I would highlight you, the text that I want to format, and click on underline. And it formats the text and underlines it. Next, I want to show you how to create a bulleted list. First, position your cursor where you want the bulleted list to begin. So I would like my bulleted list to start before name. So I put my cursor before name and clicked on the Insert Remove Bulleted List icon on the editor. I click, and the first bullet is inserted. Next, I want to add a bullet before background. So I'm going to position my cursor before the word background. I'm going to click on the Insert Bulleted List icon on the toolbar, and it inserts a bullet before background. I'm going to add my third bullet right in front of why are you taking this course, and I'm going to click on the Insert Bulleted List, and it is going to add another bullet. If I'd like to add more to this list, I just position my cursor at the last bullet, the text of the last bullet. I hit enter, and it allows me to add more to this bulleted list. Let's see, I want to know the student's name, background, why they're taking this course, and an interesting fact about themselves. Okay, so I've added my bulleted list. Well, to get out of this, I'm going to click enter. I have nothing more to add to the bulleted list. I'm going to hit enter again, and my bulleted list is complete. So I remembered that I want to ask the students to send me information about them. And I'm going to ask them in a numbered list. So I want to add a numbered list to this text box. So I'm going to ask the students to please send me an email with the following information. Okay, now I would like to create a numbered list. So to start a numbered list, I would position my cursor where I want the numbered list to start and click on Insert Numbered List, the icon on the toolbar. Once I do that, I start my numbered list. So number 1, I want them to send me an email with their contact phone number, that's the first item. If I hit enter, it's going to create the next numbered item in the numbered list. I want their contact phone number, I want their contact email, and I also have another item in the number list. If I hit enter, it's going to create the next item for me in the numbered list. I also want to know best way to reach them. So if I hit enter, it's going to give me the next item, and I'm done. I don't need any more items in the number list, so I'm going to hit enter again, and I am done with the numbered list. And I am really done, except for deleting a line. I'm done with formatting my directions. I was able to underline, bold, italics, put some bulleted list, numbered list. So I think I got the information I need. I'm going to scroll down. This is the most important thing. Scroll down and click Save to save. So this is how my text was formatted. I'm going to pop out the directions so I can see them a little bit better. And you can see that I was able to italicize, bold, underlined, create numbered lists, bulleted lists. So the formatting that I did in the WSYIWYG editor worked and looks nice.